Operationally, we'll be able to capture good information when we need to and push it out to different emergency services if we need to.
We can use it to make small videos and promote the teams that are volunteering for us in the SES, and use it to promote the great job that they do.
Before today, very little knowledge or experience other than just general personal stuff. Not something that you could say is good professionally, to put out to market.
Got out of it a lot of stuff from the 5 different shots and the 5 different rules that you've given us to use when making our videos.
Not just the tech side of it, but advice on actually taking the right sort of video, editing it afterwards, but more importantly, what content to actually capture and then work with. From a morale point of view, I think fantastic for our volunteers. They couldn't go during the day, but then they see that video of the team of 20 or 30 people starting a land search, they're possibly going to be more likely to knock off at work and come straight out and continue on with the search, or storm damage, whatever it might be. And that's just fantastic for us and for community.
Izzy did a great job today training us, and it was really enjoyable.